We're checking out a pretty handy little radio pouch that has a lot of features. So we'll start out with the clasp for holding the radio, and I'll just use this small example, but as you'll see, this will work with almost any size radio. It's stretchy, so it'll fit to accommodate any radio. You'll put the clip in here, and now it's secure. There's some shock cord on the back, elastic cord. You can just change that knot. If I was going to permanently have a small walkie-talkie style radio, I might change that knot to keep this tight. But for example, if I was going to use one of my talkabouts, they'd probably sit about this tall. Then I might use the stretchy part of the cord there to bring this down, and it would hold it in place no matter how tall the radio was. Now this one still has its belt clip on the back, and that's no problem. You can still get to your mic buttons pretty easily. You can still change some of the front buttons depending on the height of the radio. But really it's designed for stowing the radio, carrying it on your kit. It's got things on the side for carrying accessories, or I suppose you could use this to carry it as a satchel. But on the back it's got a belt loop. That belt loop can be either permanent, like there's one that's sewn in right here, but then outside of that there's a Velcro panel. So they've got this first one, and then you've got this outside one. So you could put this on after your belt is already on, or onto your gear. It's a very useful and adaptable radio pouch. Hope this helps.